Alright, so as you see, I have the Tire Care Wheel Shine product on here. And by the way, this can is over 10 years old, and I'm surprised it's still working. So today what we're doing is the interior, and as I said, the rodents came in and they had a little party over the winter in the Mustang. So we're gonna go through this, see what we can salvage, what is damaged. You already see damage there, already see damage there, and it looks like I'll be putting in some seat belts eventually. So that's gonna be great. So let's get after it. I'm gonna use rubber gloves. It's always nice to have rubber gloves. You never know what you're gonna pick up, especially if you have animals in your car, cats, dogs, whatnot. Look at all that. Jeez. Look at that. Huh. Paperwork's okay. Oh. Huh. See how they got in that way? Ha ha ha. Wow. That's unbelievable. Oh. Oh. Look at that. Shoot that up. Shoot that up. Well, guys, I'm gonna have to put this as part 1 of 3 because this is gonna be a 3-day project. Oh, that goes right there. I found it in there. Hello, everyone. This is all I have for today's episode. This is pretty dang depressing. I'll gather all this up, throw it out, and stay tuned for the next one when I'm gonna vacuum the heck out of this and tear out the carpet, because looks like that's what's going to be done. These sides, as you can see, this shot, they're done. So insert the interior there. That right there is interior. Didn't get that seat. What? Keep the interior there. That was there when I got it. But stay tuned for that episode of when I, rip this all out. Well, guys, that's it. That's all I got for this episode.